you can go from, yes, you can switch, absolutely. However, if you are selling something, if you've got a professional account and then you want to downgrade your account to a normal account, then anything that you're selling that's private labeled, you'll lose. That just goes away, because you can only private label products with a professional account. A normal seller's account, you can sell somebody else's product for them, but a professional account lets you sell your own private labeled products that way. So what should you get? Well, for me, it's not even a question. You're going to do private label, you need a professional account. That's what you need to do that. I do not suggest you sell other people's products as a dropshipper. For me, it's a terrible idea to do that, as I've said on many, many occasions, primarily because Amazon's entire shtick is customer reviews. That's its entire shtick. And if you are selling somebody else's product for them, then they are in control of what is arguably one of the biggest things on Amazon, which is customer reviews. If their product is crap, or they change their product or anything else, and you start getting bad reviews, you're done. It's difficult to get back from that. So for me, because it's actually so easy to private label, I just think private label from the get-go, and to do that you need a professional seller's account. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.